Hi everyone! In this video, we will explain the default parameters of the Hanli chiller. Requirement: during chiller operation, ensure the water level remains in the normal marked zone. Consequence: a water level dropping below this zone will result in a water deficiency alarm. Power on the chiller. The interface displays L by default. L refers to the current low water temperature display. Press the down. D indicates the fixed temperature difference from the current ambient water temperature. The set point for the ambient water temperature is determined by adding a fixed differential to the chilled water set point. To adjust this differential, modify the manufacturer's parameter FO1, ambient water temp. Differential. Press the down arrow, and H will appear, which indicates the current ambient water temperature display. Press the down arrow. The code this will appear, indicating the chilled water temperature setting. Next step, the F parameter's default factory values. On the temperature display interface, press and hold both the up and down arrow keys simultaneously for 5 seconds to enter the manufacturer parameter setting state. Press the set key to enter and view the selected parameter's value. Press the power key to exit the settings mode at any time. Press the key to select the desired F parameter item. Default parameter overview complete. Thank you.